As an aspiring investor, there are many ways to optimize your portfolio. One popular investing strategy with investors is dividend investing. Dividends are payouts by companies made to everybody who owns stock in that company. They're usually paid monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Dividends are popular primarily because they offer a twofold method of earning money, from the growth potential of the stock itself and from the dividend payouts as a means of profit sharing. This is one way investors can make money from stocks and help build their long-term wealth. Investors can take these payments as income, or they can automatically reinvest those dividends back into buying more shares of the same stock by opting into a DRIP, or Dividend Reinvestment Program, helping accelerate the growth of their portfolio. So how do you get started with dividend investing? One of the easiest ways is with the SoFi app. You can start building your dividend portfolio right in the app, where you can choose from an array of stocks, ETFs, or fractional shares. And with features like SoFi Weekly Dividend, you can get paid weekly, and you can do it all without commission and no SoFi management fees. With as little as $5, you can get started on your path to wealth today with SoFi Invest. Download the SoFi app or visit SoFi.com to get started.